teachers, and my dear friends. A pleasant good morning to one and all. This is P. Akshaya. I am pursuing 9th grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I will say the complete lesson regarding the adaptations in different ecosystems. Let's go to the seminar. Yes, before I am going to the seminar, I would like to ask an simple question to you. Do you know the water desert plants? Yes, of course, the desert plants are aloe vera and cactus, etc. These are known as desert plants, and these are example for in Kalabanda reducing the leaves and water for the leaves. It is known as the desert in plants. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is desert in some more animals. Do you know what are animals desert present in desert? Yes, of course, they are snake, mouse and birds. Which are we don't know that. These are helpful to cover with the sand with the help of tail. For example, take the snail example. The snail will take the sand up of the snail and the sand will cover up the all body of snail. Then we don't know that the organism present in the sand. It is known as the desert in some more animals. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. Adaptation in aquatic animals. Do you know how many types are there in aquatic types? Yes, there are two types. One is marine ecosystem and second one is euphotic zone. First our topic is marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem. Do you know what is marine ecosystem? Yes, of course, the marine ecosystem is nothing but around the 2 million years, the plants and animals are living on the earth with the help of their cells, with the living of body and with the help of food and their water. And some animals are presented in water. They are known as aquatic animals. Are you understand marine ecosystem? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Next our topic is eutrophic zone. Do you know what is eutrophic zone? Yes, of course, the eutrophic zone is nothing but it is a shiny bodies present at the shell. Do you know with the help of tortoise there is a shell. The shell will shiny with water bodies. It is known as the eutrophic zone. Now I will show the picture of coral colonies. This is the picture of coral colonies. The coral colonies, the fish army comes to the coral colonies because their food are needed to their place. The food present at their place with the help of stones. So the fishes will come to coral colonies and it is a house of fishes. Are you understand eutrophic zone? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is basal zone. I'll show the picture of rayfish. See, this is the picture of rayfish. And it is a type of aquatic fish present in the water. And it was a small and delicate flat lining structure because their body will flat because of their fishes when give it's a give birth to young ones. Because of their young ones the body will comes as flat. Are you understand why the rayfish is flat? Yes, I think you are all understood. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope You are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is axial zone. The axial zone. Do you know what is axial zone? The axial zone is nothing but it is a according to the temperature. It will increase or decrease according to their atmosphere. Suppose we'll take Australia. They are present at polar bear and seals. With the help of temperature, they will come out. If the temperature is very hot, they did not come out. If the temperature is cool, they will come out and play with the balls. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Now I will show the pictures regarding to the axial zone. This is the picture regarding to that anglerfish. This is also a type of aquatic animals. It is known as the anglerfish. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. Do you know what is lichens? Lichens is nothing but it is a green and brownish color present at the bark of tree, and it was very chemical bacteria for human beings. When you will observe at my microscope, then you will observe what are the bacteria present in that lichens. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is freshwater ecosystem. The freshwater ecosystem. Do you know what is freshwater ecosystem? Yes, of course, the freshwater ecosystem is nothing but it is also a stagnant-like and sac-like structure, and it was helpful to rivers and ponds and lakes. When they release the gates, the water will move to rivers and lakes and ponds. These are the known as freshwater ecosystem. We will drink river water because of there is a very fresh water. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is adaptation in temperature between aquatic animals. Do you know how the temperature will increase and decrease in the Australia? Yes, of course, because of their cool temperature, they will get as snowfall. Have you seen snowfall? Yes, the snowfall will help to the seals and lichens to polar bears. Are you understand my seminar? I hope you are all understood. Thanks for spending your valuable time for watching my video.